Dead skunk in the middle of the road. You know that you meant. Don't ride the line, asshole. Really, don't do that. Jesus Christ. Toyo turds everywhere.
I'm afraid you even listen to this.
No. I don't think you stopped, did you? What the hell was that? I wasn't looking. Was that an illegal U-turn? That looks like a cutoff. Goes Corolla, because Toyota.
To Dustin Tadlock Road.
114, 177. Good thing I was turning this way. I didn't have my blinker on.
Dustin Tadlock Road.
Whoa, whoa! Damn, boys. Stop, 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 stop. The red. I think you were in the red. I'll have to check and see if you're in the red. No parking, shitheads. Stop sign. Scumbag in the fire lane.
Peanut the Bagman truck, NASCAR, and some other stuff. But mostly NASCAR.
Did you?
Join them on Channel
Hi! I'm not here. I'm not here at all. Whoa! Left blinker, go straight. Fuck you. Not loving you. Stop sign! Show your turd! 'Cause I'm gonna play the song. Red light runner. How many teeth? Stop! Camera, get back to Jersey. Yeah. Nice cut off, yeah. Get off my ass, thank you. Oh, that got you far. That was just to exit dive, nice. Alright, I've had enough. Stop! You're in the red. No turn on red, no turn on red, no turn on red, no turn on red. Don't do it, it's a no turn on red. Turn on red. Nice! Nice.